Rick Astley's Never Gonna Give You Up is now in rare company, having just exceeded 1 billion streams on Spotify. The song was a big hit in 1987 and got a huge boost decades later, of course, thanks to Rickrolling, an internet prank that tricks people into watching the music video.
La primera convención fue del 9 al 11 de mayo, con una asistencia de 13,000 personas de diferentes países. Y la segunda del 23 al 25 de mayo, con la participación de más de 19,000 personas. El caso confirmado de sarampión corresponde a una persona que estuvo presente en uno de estos encuentros, por lo que el MINSA ha iniciado una investigación para identificar posibles contactos y prevenir un brote local.
El Centro Nacional de Enlace de Bolivia avisa a nuestro país, Panamá, sobre un evento de un caso confirmado de una mujer de 22 años que acude a un evento masivo religioso en diferentes fechas de mayo. Los síntomas empiezan a aparecer de los 10 días de exposición a los 14 días.
Los síntomas del sarampión son fiebre alta, tos, secreción nasal, conjuntivitis, dolor de garganta, sarpullido rojo que inicia en la cara y se extiende al resto del cuerpo.
Contagiosa se transmite a través de la saliva, la tos, a través del habla, puede tener complicaciones desde neumonías, otitis media, inflamación cerebral, que es la encefalitis, atacando más a la población vulnerable que son los niños. Y si imagínense en una habitación con 5 personas, estas 5 personas se pueden contagiar ya que el virus puede permanecer hasta 2 horas en el ambiente.
I'm Jan Karel Fikke and she's Sheila Fikke.
It was a surprise to meet this couple and see their 64-foot sailboat in Adak.
Here it is.
What does that mean?
Goose.
JK and Sheila Fikke left Holland nearly 5 years ago in July of 2020 to sail around the world.
The boat is fine, it's the crew that, that sometimes thinks, oh my God. But normally we're quite okay actually. Yeah. Otherwise I don't think we would have been doing this still after 5 years.
Yeah. It's like our house. It's our.
No, it's not like it is our house. We sold everything to make this dream possible.
Come inside.
I'll show you.
Their home's amazing. It's tiny and cozy and sweet.
And here we have a large area where we can sit.
We met the couple on their final day in America. From here in Adak, they head to Japan.
We want to see different things again. So the plan we made was following the Aleutians, going up to Japan, and then going to visit Japan for a couple of months or a year or perhaps more. It's just like if we enjoy it, we'll stay longer, and if it's like we don't feel rest inside, we go on and on and on.
It's been a wild trip. Sailing across the Bering Sea from Sitka to Adak sounded scary.
Because it's the birthplace of the winds and because of all the islands, the weather prediction can be, say, like east, and then you come on an island and it'll be totally west, and you're like, huh? How's that possible?
The waves are horrible.
Great comfort came in finally making it to Adak, where spring has started and there's peace.
But here it's so quiet, and here we've the last few weeks we had some rough passages with a lot of waves going into each other, and the boat was banging, and we said to each other, what are we doing here?
And you know, the Bering Sea, it's quite a sea to go on.
It's also a gift.
When I first met him when I was 17 and he was 20, he said, before I'm 50, I'm going to sail the world. And I was like, yeah, right. Good plan.
Whales feeding under the boat, like bubble feeding beside us.
Swimming under the boat.
You're the only one there.
Yeah.
And so it's a real different kind of enjoying it, being there in nature with this incredible animals.
Then just a few hours later, as the sun begins to rise.
Have a wonderful journey. Saying goodbye to America, or at least the U.S. And can you send me a picture of the crew? 100%. For our own photos. Of course.
As quickly as we'd met them, they were off to continue their round-the-world adventure. Leaving Adax Harbor, just like U.S. naval vessels stationed here decades ago.
Bye, safe travels.
Sailing past snow-capped volcanic mountains, Alaska's Aleutian chain. Next up, Japan.